Hi, this is Laura, and this is a continuation for a packaging design. And I came up with the name Falcon Whiskey out of Scotland. And this week we move forward with digital art renderings for the mosaic art. I'm going to share the screen. So here we are with the Falcon Mosaic. I started out in Photoshop and Illustrator, looking at all the special effects and textures, the mosaic patchwork, stained glass, and really didn't translate in the way that I had hoped. So I went out to the internet and worked with Firefly and tried a variety of different keywords until I found the right combination to get the look and feel what I was going for. So I've got three digital renderings of a falcon that's flying, and then a close-up of a falcon in the mosaic art. The second step was narrowing down to the top two, which I have here. Then in Photoshop, I needed to add some additional area to the top and the bottom of both of these illustrations. So there's a wonderful tool in our wonderful little toolbox in Photoshop. It's called Generative Fill. So I just take a little bit of the top, overlap it a little bit, and it'll come up with some additional textures. So that's where I continued on. Then I was able to add some text. So once I added the text, I was able to get a better idea how it was coming together. The typeface I used is Whiskey, Jill, and Copperplate. And although Copperplate is a serif font, it works really well with the slight little edges here of the Whiskey Jill. So I think they go well together. And then I forwarded them on to some people in my focus group. And I was a little surprised. There was one person who said, not a big fan of the falcon close up because that person thought, I think that bird may want to eat me. So the reaction of the close up of the bird was not what I thought it was going to be with my focus group. So the clear winner um, was the flying falcon whiskey. So then I continued on and did a mock-up and added the name here at the neck of the bottle and aligned it here on a whiskey bottle. And this is my final mock-up. So I hope you like it. Thank you.